Starting a gaming setup often comes down to choosing the right graphics card, and that can get confusing with so many options available. To make things easier, I have listed the best graphics cards that fit different types of gamers, whether you play casually or enjoy high-end performance. Each pick is chosen for its balance of value, power, and real-world results. If you want to check them out for yourself, links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. This list will help you quickly understand what each card offers so you can decide what works best for your setup without any hassle. Number 5. PNY NVIDIA GeForce. The best budget AI-ready GPU on this list is this one, a solid option for gamers who want modern performance without spending too much. It comes with 8 GB of VRAM, which is enough for smooth 1080p and decent 1440p gaming in most titles. With a 2692 MHz clock speed, this card maintains strong frame rates even in demanding games. One of the key advantages is the support for NVIDIA DLSS, which uses AI to boost FPS, reduce latency, and improve image quality. Gamers can enjoy sharper visuals and smoother performance without stressing the hardware. This also includes 5th-gen tensor cores, new streaming multiprocessors, and 4th-gen ray tracing cores, giving you faster and more efficient ray tracing. Paired with NVIDIA Reflex, competitive players benefit from lower input lag, quicker target acquisition, and improved reaction times. This makes it a great option for esports gaming. Beyond gaming, this card is also helpful for creators and developers. Thanks to the built-in AI processors, you get access to NVIDIA Studio drivers, creative app accelerations, and exclusive tools for AI-assisted workflows. If you want a card that balances gaming, creating, and productivity with modern AI features, this is a reliable entry point without breaking your budget. Number 4. Asrock Radeon RX. The best cooling and aesthetic GPU here is this one, a powerful AMD option built for gamers who want both style and performance. With a massive 3,320 MHz boost clock, this card delivers impressive speed right out of the box. It runs on AMD's RDNA 4 architecture, offering efficient 3rd-gen ray tracing and improved 2nd-gen AI acceleration. This makes it capable of running modern AAA titles at high settings. One of its biggest strengths is the triple fan 0dB silent cooling system. Asrock uses striped ring fans, ultra-fit heat pipes, and air-deflecting fans to keep temperatures low even under heavy load. In lighter tasks, the fans turn off completely, giving you silent operation. This makes it excellent for gamers who want a cooler, quieter experience. With 8 GB of GDDR6 running at 20 gigabits per second on a 128-bit bus and support for PCIe 5.0, it offers future-ready connectivity. The HDMI 2.1b and DisplayPort 2.1a ports support extremely high refresh rates, including 8K per 120 Hz or 4K per 240 Hz output. The reinforced metal backplate and premium super alloy components improve durability and reduce flex. Visually, the card stands out with its polychrome sync RGB and sleek white design, making it perfect for theme builds. If you want strong performance paired with top-tier cooling and a stylish finish, this is an excellent choice. Number 3. Gigabyte GeForce. The best high-capacity VRAM performer in this lineup is this one, offering an impressive 16 GB of GDDR7 memory. This is a big advantage for gamers working with large texture packs, modded games, or memory-heavy titles like open-world RPGs. The 128-bit memory interface, combined with GDDR7, makes it faster and more efficient than previous generations. This card is powered by the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, delivering improved ray tracing, better power efficiency, and enhanced AI processing. With support for DLSS 4, gamers get higher FPS without compromising visual quality. DLSS 4 works especially well with VRAM-heavy games, making this version of the 5060Ti smooth even in demanding scenes. Gigabyte also includes a durable build with strong thermal management. The PCIe 5.0 support ensures maximum bandwidth and compatibility with new generation systems. For content creators or streamers, 16 gigabytes of VRAM provides a significant boost when editing high-resolution videos or working in creative applications accelerated by NVIDIA Studio tools. With DisplayPort and HDMI outputs, this model supports modern high-refresh monitors for competitive gameplay. If you need a card that handles both gaming and heavy multitasking while staying future-proof, this 16 gigabytes is the standout choice. Number 2. MSI Gaming GeForce. The best mid-range gaming GPU is this one, a proven performer that continues to offer great value. Its 12 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory makes it one of the most VRAM-rich cards in this category, allowing smooth performance in modern titles at 1080p and 1440p. With a 1710 MHz GPU clock speed and 1807 MHz memory clock speed, the card keeps games running efficiently. This supports ray tracing and DLSS, giving you improved visual fidelity and better frame rates. Gamers who enjoy competitive titles also benefit from stable performance at high refresh rates. The outputs include 3x DisplayPort and 1x HDMI 2.1, supporting resolutions up to 7680 by 4320, meaning this card can handle 8K playback and multi-monitor setups. MSI's cooling system helps maintain consistent performance during long sessions. The 12 gigabytes VRAM also helps with future games, large environments, and creative workloads. While newer GPUs offer more raw power, the RTX 3060 remains a dependable choice for gamers looking for a balanced price-to-performance option. If you want a GPU that handles everything from esports to AAA titles without overspending, this stands as one of the most reliable mid-range options today. Number 1. Asus Dual GeForce. The best overall graphics card in this lineup is this one, equipped with 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory and powered by the latest NVIDIA Blackwell architecture. This combination makes it extremely capable for high-resolution gaming, streaming, and creative workloads. With AI performance up to 767 AI TOPS, this card is built for the next generation of AI-assisted applications and games. Running at 2632 MHz in OC mode, it delivers strong performance across AAA and competitive titles. It also supports DLSS 4, ensuring higher FPS and better image quality through advanced AI upscaling. This makes it ideal for gamers who want the best blend of speed, visuals, and efficiency. Cooling is handled by Asus's Axial Tech fan design, which uses a smaller hub and longer blades to increase downward air pressure. This improves thermal performance and ensures quieter operation. Being SFF ready, the card fits well in smaller form factor cases, making it versatile for compact builds. Its output options include DisplayPort 2.1b and HDMI 2.1b, enabling high refresh 4K and future-ready displays. Whether you're playing demanding games, streaming, editing, or working with AI tools, this offers the best balance of power, reliability, and overall performance, earning its place as the top pick. Wrapping up our list of the top 5 graphics cards for every type of gamer, each option brings something special depending on what you play and how you play. I have listed the best picks to help you upgrade your setup without the confusion. Make sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow anglers, and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews.